Alright, Jennifer, here's your 1/64 scale JADA Tahoe. This is again one of the ones from the Hero Patrol series that was available at one point at Walmart and other stores. I think they're like $3 each. Makes you mad now when you try to find one on eBay. They're $15, $16 to get one. If you want a specific one, I mean, even more difficult to find, obviously. And you know, I've paid, I think the last Texas one I paid for a customer, I think it was $20 by the time I got it to the house. So anyway, so the price has increased on them a little bit. Again, 1/64 scale. This one's built like the, well, I think this is the first one I've done for you with the red and blue light bar. The other ones had the white in the middle, but it does have red and blue strobe in the front bumper here, along with flashing headlights and flashing tail lights. Had a couple little antennas for you. Same battery and switch setup and everything's the same. I'm going to turn it on. Choked up. Again, you see the flashing headlights with your red and blue strobes. And then, of course, red and blue strobe light bar. And then flashing tail lights on this one. Again, the rear door is glued shut to allow for all the goodies inside, and then of course I painted the windows black on this one as well, like I did the other ones, so you don't see all the stuff. No need in seeing what's in there since it's just a big battery, but you can. The door does open and just looks black inside too. You can see through the front fender like most Hot Wheel cars. Anyway, that's what you get. That's how they that's what you get with these things, the smaller models like this. Like I said, not a whole lot of detail to them, but actually before you put the lights in them, I think they're pretty daggone cool. They got quite a bit of stuff going on in there. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate it. I'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow. And of course, like I said, as with the other one, this one rolls well too. So appreciate it. Thanks again.